What is up, everybody? Today we will be doing a install of a 6x9 kicker set on my 1996 Royal Star 1300. My old speakers are blown out, they're old, and they need to be replaced. So let's get to it. So this is the Kicker PS69. Here you go. This is what we're going to be unboxing today, as well as installing into my bike. So let's get this set up and get started. So it looks like when you open the box, this is what you will find. Handy dandy pamphlet book walking you through some shit and all that whatnot. Looks like some installation in different languages. And as you can see here, we have your two speakers. So we will get these pulled out of the box and we will go into the garage and start uninstalling the old speakers. We still are working on Frankenstein. I have not gotten much farther. I just haven't taken the time. We have put our blanket on here. It is very soft. I think the color looks good. I got new grips as well. I know it's a little dark over here, guys. We're going to try to get some lights over here at some point. We got some other parts here. We're waiting for some handlebars to show up. But yeah, we are going to get this box open here. Let's see here. Got this knife here. Ooh, we're moving the wrong way. Alright, we're going to set this down and we're going to finish up opening up these boxes. Alright, so we have our two speakers here. We have some additional wires. We'll check those out. And we have our mounting screws. So let's get these out of the bags and see what we're working with here. So we have our face plates. Simple, straightforward. We're going to leave those in there for now. Let's look at these speakers. What I really want to see. Looks to be decently made quality. I'm excited. Let's get these set off to the side for now. including our wires and mounting equipment. Alright, so we are now going to unmount our current 6x9s. You can see they're pretty jacked up here. They're actually, the metals here are actually super glued back in because they came out. So we are gonna start unmounting that. Alright, so we got one speaker pulled. Here it is, the hole. We got our wires here. We're going to get our new speaker hooked up and we'll start getting it placed inside. Alright, what is up everybody? It is the next day. So I ended up getting both speakers installed. Let's take a look. Also, wearing the new merch. So, speaker looks good. Sounds fucking good too. I think I'm gonna end up having to get a new stereo though, because I keep having different types of issues. Currently, I think it's gonna say it's having a miswiring issue. Yep, there it goes. Protecting send service. So I'll have to do the reset on that again. I did it once, but I'm gonna have to do it again. But I promise you, they sound great. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and definitely hit that bell. Till next time.